As the sun dips below the horizon, our familiar world undergoes a profound transformation. The daylight chorus of birds and the bustling activity of our daily lives give way to a different kind of life, one that thrives under the cloak of darkness. This is a realm of shadows and whispers, of creatures perfectly adapted to a nocturnal existence. Many of these animals live right alongside us, in our gardens, our parks, and sometimes even within the walls of our homes, yet they remain unseen. For the next 7 minutes, we will embark on a journey into this hidden world. We will count down 5 of our most remarkable and often unnoticed nighttime neighbors. Our countdown begins with a creature of profound subtlety, the eastern screech owl, a hunter so small it can live undetected in suburban gardens. Its plumage is an intricate mosaic of grays and browns, rendering it virtually invisible against tree bark. Perched in plain sight by day, it looks like a broken branch or knot in the wood. But as twilight descends, this statue of feathers awakens. Enormous forward-facing eyes gather every last photon. They do not move in their sockets. The owl turns its head, up to 270 degrees. It scans its territory without betraying position. Hearing is its most formidable weapon. Ears are asymmetrical, allowing pinpoint triangulation. A leaf's rustle becomes a map to a beetle or a deer mouse emerging from its burrow. Its call isn't a deep hoot. It is a soft, tremulous trill. They defend small patches of trees and raise fluffy owlets in cavities or nest boxes. Emerging into the 4th position on our countdown, a creature that seems to defy gravity itself, the southern flying squirrel. This is not a true flyer, but a master of gliding. Its secret is the patagium, a membrane stretching from wrists to ankles. Leaping from a high branch, it becomes a flattened kite, navigating with precision. It is not simply falling, it is actively steering. Using its tail as a rudder, it can bank and make sharp turns to avoid obstacles. It can cover over 50 meters, then brake and touch down with all 4 feet. Their nights are spent searching for nuts, acorns, fungi, lichens, insects, even the occasional egg. Highly social, they den together in winter, huddling to share warmth. Strictly nocturnal, they are often only glimpsed by a flashlight or heard as a rustle overhead. Turning a simple leap into elegant flight, the flying squirrel is an unseen acrobat of the night. At number 3, we encounter the very embodiment of the night, the little brown bat. This tiny mammal weighs less than half an ounce, with a wingspan of about 9 inches. It has conquered the darkness through sound, echolocation. High-frequency clicks bounce back to form a detailed 3-dimensional sound map. From size and shape to texture and trajectory, it reads prey from dozens of feet away. Its flight is an erratic, fluttering dance, twisting with breathtaking agility. It often traps an insect in its wing or tail membrane before transferring it to its mouth. A single bat can consume thousands of small insects in a night. Colonies provide natural pest control. By day they roost in caves, hollow trees, eaves, barns, even bat boxes. Females gather in maternity colonies, each raising a single pup. They face threats like white nose syndrome. Understanding them is the first step to protecting them. Flickering through twilight, the little brown bat is a vital, beneficial neighbor. Our runner-up at number 2 is a true survivor, the North American opossum. Coarse gray fur, a pointed snout, and a scaly prehensile tail. A slow-moving nocturnal forager and North America's only marsupial. Its unhurried pace hides a thorough search, a consummate, opportunistic omnivore. Fallen fruit, slugs and snails, beetles, unsecured garbage, and carrion. Remarkably, it resists many native snake venoms, including rattlesnakes and copperheads. When cornered, it may involuntarily enter a catatonic state, playing possum, appearing dead to deter predators. After a brief gestation, bee-sized young crawl into the pouch to continue development. Soon, joeys ride on their mother's back as she forages. By eating ticks, insects, and carrion, the opossum quietly services our neighborhoods. A humble, successful survivor, perfectly in step with the rhythm of the night. And now, at the top of our list, the number one night neighbor, the urban red fox. With its fiery coat, bushy white-tipped tail, and intelligent, watchful eyes. A creature of edges, it patrols the boundary between wild and urban, alleys, rail lines, and park corridors. It moves with such stealth that dawn reveals only paw prints in dew. Its hearing is so sharp it detects the subterranean rustle of a vole. A capable hunter and a supreme opportunist, it learns bin days, food hotspots, and fruitful gardens. Families den under sheds, roots, or embankments. Kits tumble, pounce, and practice the skills of life. A flash of russet in headlights or luminous eyes in a dark park. A beautiful ghost in our midst. The red fox is a symbol of wildness persisting in our modern world. As our countdown concludes and darkness recedes, we gain a new appreciation for the world that stirs while we sleep. The screech owl, the flying squirrel, the bat, the opossum, and the fox, 5 remarkable neighbors hiding in plain sight. They are cohabitants, enriching our communities and reminding us that nature's ingenuity thrives after dark. Stay curious, listen closely, and meet the neighbors you never knew you had. If you enjoy cool animal videos, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching.